Okay, this is how to send a push notification through the app. This is the app. You have to go to gallusgolf.com, go to login. It'll take you to a screen like this. We are going to do push notifications. We're going to send a push notification. The push notification will send to everybody who has our app, and we can send them push notifications of tournaments, specials, all sorts of things. This particular one, we're going to have a push notification for the big hole. Now taking sign-ups. Actually, sign up today. Good, strong call to action. The name of the tournament and a brief description. I say 4-person scramble with 8-inch holes. And as you can see, you are limited to 120 characters. Okay. Now each one of these little descriptions you can get from here. So, we need to have a little descriptor in there. Now, this is the message that will be pushed across their phones. The action, we want it to open up a website. So when they click on it, it's going to take them to here on their phone. So in order to do that, we have to copy this and paste it in here. Easy as that. Interactive button. I want them to be able to share this with their friends. So this will share it. And when they share it, open website. Same thing. It'll open this up for them. What type of audience? We want this to be a broadcast audience. You can target it more specifically, but this is going to go to everyone who has our app. Devices, obviously, we want everyone to receive that, not just iPhones, not just Google phones or Android phones. Now, scheduling. We don't want it to go out right now. Again, with these tournaments, I like them to go out right around a month ahead. This year, it's April 28th. We already have a Facebook post going out. We have an email address, an email blast going out around the 28th. We don't want to barrage them on one day with all of our marketing messages. So with the app, I'm going to say a month out plus the following Monday. Okay? So a good time, I'm going to say a little after 12. People are at lunch or whatever, and then they'll have time maybe to interact with it. And then you hit schedule. So with the tournaments, for each tournament, I would like to have 2 of these push notifications. One roughly a month out, and another approximately 2 weeks out. When it's a 2-week message, I would like it to say final call, Spring Big Hole Classic. And then just to build up a little more sense of urgency. Okay? Then we'll hit schedule. And we will be good to go. If you have any questions on that, be sure to let me know. And now you know how to do that.